How to order Bank of America checks. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to order Bank of America checks. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to order Bank of America checks, the first and the foremost way is to log into your Bank of America account via online banking or the mobile app. Next, select the appropriate bank account and then do one of the following. In online banking, select Order Checks/Deposit Slips, and in the mobile app, select Order Checks and Deposit Tickets. You will then be taken to a page where you can access options on design along with other products. Confirm your style as well as your starting check number and your name and your address. And with this, your Bank of America check will be ready. So, this is how you can order Bank of America checks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.